Hi all, today I'm going to be showing you how to model a boulder badge from Generation 1 of Pokemon. Now, the trouble I had with this model was creating an octagon. I gave up after 3 days trying to model an octagon until I realized it's really simple. All I needed to do was create a box about this big, give it a little bit of height. Then I want to convert it to an editable poly. Then I want to press F4 to bring up all of the edges highlighted. Then I want to press 2. In fact, first I want to go to chamfer and click on the box next to it. And I want to make sure that this is on quad, like so, and press the tick. Now I press 2, select all of the edges, like this. Then you want to go back to chamfer and you want to press this box with the actual word in. You want to grab the selected sides and you want to just move it like so, and you have an 8-sided shape. Oh, what have I done? I've just undone it. Hold on. There we go. So if you can't, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's an 8-sided shape. Now what you want to do is press 4, select that face and delete. Then press 3 to go into border mode. Select the border. Then you want to go to scale and you want to extrude it in to about there. Now it's up to you if you want to cap it now, but to add a little diamond sort of thing to it, I just did this. And as I explained in an earlier video, to make a new to extrude a border, just hold shift while you move. I don't know why I'm doing that. Just go to the move tool. No, scale tool. Now I'll cap. And that's how I made my border badge. If you want, you can add even more detail to it by deleting these faces now. Not that face. and pressing 3, move, and doing the same thing we did with the crystal in the middle, just very softly extrude new shapes off the border. Then select them two borders and cap. And Valkyrie, sort of illusion of the emerald being inside the shape. And then obviously you can texture it. I'm not going to show you how to do that because I've shown you in other videos how to texture. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and like and subscribe please. Anyway, I've been Dylan, thank you.